Let's convert 34 ounces to grams. Here's how we can do it. So 1 ounce, that equals 28.35 grams. That's something you just need to remember. We call that a conversion factor. So when we're going from ounces to grams, we need to know the conversion factor. Here we have 34 ounces and we're going to grams. We multiply by that 28.35 number, like this. And note that it's 28.35 grams per ounce. There are 28.35 grams in 1 ounce. So that's the conversion factor. What's nice is when we multiply, we have ounces on top and bottom. So they cancel out. So it's just 34 times 28.35 grams. We multiply, we end up with 963.9, the units. Those are the grams. That's what's left. So that's how you convert 34 ounces to grams. If you had grams and you wanted to go to ounces, you could divide by 28.35. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.